Hey everyone, so doing a mama and baby update. Babies are getting big fast, even though they're still super tiny, super cute. Mama is handling it okay. She is being a great mama, very protective over her babies. You can see their little faces sneaking out there under the board. They took off running from me when I went over near them, so I'm letting them have their space. But all 8 of them are doing really good. They are getting the zoomies and running around like maniacs during the day. They nap super well. Mom's nursing great. So everybody's doing really, really good. She is protective over them, but she's okay with certain people touching them. The volunteers here are all loving on them when we can. Look at the cute little thing. Hi, babies. So yeah, they're running around here like maniacs now. They said they're getting the zoomies. They run in circles. They play with each other. They jump all over mom. They're all doing really good. Even the little runt's doing excellent. They're just so stinking cute. Let me see if she'll let me. Oh, let me unzoom. Let's see if she'll let me get closer. Get a better picture of them. Hi, Mama. You're okay. You're fine. Let's see if we can get close-ups of those little faces. What are you guys doing? Yeah? Are you being so cute? Oh, up there. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. I call that one Nosy Rosie. Yeah, they're doing really good. Said they're enjoying hanging out with mom. Mom's doing good. She's eating good. They're doing okay in the heat. We have a bunch of fans going, and then so mom can still cool off and babies can cool off. We have our whole wet towel shallow contraption that they can lay on when they get too warm. I can't with those little faces. Mama, you did a good job. Y'all gonna come say hi? I could just literally sit here all day watching these guys. It's crazy. Every time I try to get video of them with the zoomies in the morning, somebody always ends up getting in the way. So I haven't been successful, but I will keep trying because, oh my goodness, the 8 of them going in circles and jumping all over is like the cutest thing ever. All right, well, there's our mama update. Let me know if y'all have any questions.